Hey again. Well, I got something a little different today that I want to talk about. And this has been going on in the industry with several different machine manufacturers, and they've been pulling some kind of marketing scam on everyone. So I want you to know about this because I feel like it's important because you spend a lot of money on sewing machines and you want to know what you're buying. So if you notice on the front of these machines, these two brother machines, they what do they say? They say strong and tough. All right? So if you look up why they're called strong and tough, it'll say something like, "Oh, they've got heavy duty feed or a stronger motor, or they'll have, they have a stronger frame." Well, the truth, they don't. The only thing strong and tough are the words printed on the front. What they are doing is they're manufacturing machines that don't have metal frames in them, that are basically disposable toys. So they're lowering the bar. They're making a bunch of junk and then calling their standard home deck machines just lightweight. This is a lightweight home deck machine. It's nothing else. And they're calling them strong and tough now because they also make machines that are complete garbage. Right? That's what's happening. There is nothing. I just took this part of this machine apart completely, and there is literally nothing in this machine that any of the other machines are without. You know, the motor is this big around. It's not. It's not like a big standard heavy duty motor that was on all machines for the past 40 years. No, it's still got a small motor in it. It's got a standard feed system, just like any other brother or baby lock machine of this configuration and size. There's nothing about it. It's just that they've lowered the bar and made junk, and now they're calling the standard light duty stuff strong and tough. It's super annoying, but I really feel like you should know. Singer does it with their heavy duty machine, which it's just a light duty home deck machine. The heavy duty label is just printing on the front. It's just because they make cheaper junk now and they're calling the standard machines heavy duty. It's kind of like Janome, where on their upper tension unit they have an auto setting on there. There's nothing automatic about Janome machines. Most of those machines that say auto on there, there's nothing automatic. They're just mechanical static upper tension units. And when you set it to auto, it's the same thing as setting it to 4. It's just a marketing tactic. It makes you think your machine is capable of something it's not. This is not a heavy duty machine and shouldn't be treated that way. All right? And neither is this serger. This serger is actually quite light duty. So if you've heard otherwise, which I'm sure you have, I can tell you with 100% certainty, by being a person who goes in these machines all week long and have been doing so for 25 years, there is literally nothing heavy duty, strong and tough, better, stronger than any other light duty machine. And that's all I got. Until next time.